Unlock your online business potential today. Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Are you ready to start or scale your online business but don't know where to begin? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to AVSDG Zone, where we'll show you exactly how to kickstart your journey to success. In today's digital world, the opportunities to build and grow your business are endless. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up, having the right tools, ebooks, and audiobooks can make all the difference. From building your website to marketing your products, and even managing your business, the right tools save you time and make the process easier. And guess what? We've got everything you need, right here. Let's talk about the essentials. You need a website, right? Platforms like Shopify or WordPress make it super easy to get online with no coding skills required. Then, there's email marketing. Platforms like MailChimp help you engage your customers with personalized emails, keeping them coming back for more. Need to grow your audience? SEO and analytics tools like Google Analytics help boost your site's visibility, while social media tools like Buffer or Hootsuite let you manage and track your social posts effortlessly. But where can you get all these tools, ebooks, audiobooks? You don't need to search endlessly. AVSDG Zone is your one-stop shop for all the best business tools, and guess what? They're at discounted prices. That's right. We've got you covered with everything from website builders to e-commerce solutions, marketing tools, and more, all at unbeatable prices. Plus, we provide expert guides and support to help you get the most out of your tools. It's never been easier to grow your business. Ready to take your business to the next level? Don't wait. Visit AVSDG Zone now, and get started today. Click the link below to get exclusive discounts and access to all the tools you need for success. It's time to unlock your business potential. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start is now. Let's make your business dreams a reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Regards from Team AVS.